question for you. Let's say you have to give a talk at some event or conference next month on certain topic. What's your first step to start preparing for your speech? Maybe start writing, or maybe start making presentation slides of main points. But what if I say that's the worst way to start preparing for your speech? Yes, that's the worst way. If you are doing that, unfortunately, you are coding for the disaster. Because there is 80% chance that your talk won't sound unique. Your talk will never be remembered forever. Audience will never sit up and take notice of your ideas and thoughts. And ultimately, it won't elicit the response you wanted. Instead, your first step should always be focused on how you can make it branded. Just like Nike, Google, Apple, Coca-Cola, or any other branded things that comes to your mind. In the same way, people never forget branded talks. Branded will make your talk sound unique. People always take notice of branded ideas and thoughts. See, back in 2011, I was hired as a technical recruiter for one of the software startup company. My job was to talk to clients, deliver presentations at conferences, and convince them to do business with us. I was able to bring zero business to the company first couple months. But I noticed not one person from my client or audience was able to recall what my key points were. And after long frustration, I decided my presentation, my talk, my speech should sound unique. And there is only one way to make it unique, is to make it branded, which people never forget. And after that, each time I spoke, the audience responded differently. They were getting exactly what I was saying and was able to recall the key points of my speech. And most important, brought bunch of business to my company that no one had done. And a few months later, I became the highest paid technical recruiter in my company, got promoted, and also was lucky to get rewarded multiple times. This branded solution had become the foundation for each of my talk. No matter where I speak now, I build my speech on solid foundation. It's tried and tested. People who I taught this foundation to also got the exact response they wanted.
Hello, my name is Charles Shamry, international speaker, and I would say that BRANDD course is helpful for helping me prepare for my speeches.
Hey, hi guys, my name is Kunal Vastani. By profession, I'm a software engineer and a professional anchor. So just want to tell you all of you that the BRANDD course from Success Wheel is absolutely stunning, and I really want to give a big thanks to the Success Wheel for sharing all the acceptable PDF and the worksheet that you have shared with all of us and inspiring all of us. Thank you so much and keep rocking.
And if you are in the same boat where I was few years back and you are putting a lot of efforts to build your good speech, good presentation, but it's not getting the response you wanted, then this branded foundation course which I built can help you get the response you wanted. BRANDD stands for big idea, research, accumulate, nugget, design, and detach. 6 vital steps explained in detail step by step along with PDF summary and worksheet that will help you take actionable step towards building your branded talk. BRANDD is the solution to help you sound organized. BRANDD is the solution to help you sound to the point. BRANDD is the solution to help you sound unique and make your talk remembered forever. If you are ready to take your achievement to the next level or want to check out more about BRANDD course, then click the link in the section below and I'll help you further. See you on the other side. Until then, keep speaking.